Welcome to the tutorial on how to add drivers to Zeo. For manual add, click on driver icon and then on add driver. The first way is to manually add a driver. Start by entering the driver's email address. This email will be used to send the invite to the driver and will also connect their account to the driver app. Next, fill in the driver's name. This is the name that will appear in your dashboard. Enter the mobile number of the driver. This allows direct communication if needed. Next, choose the type of vehicle. After that, assign the driver's specific skill. You also have the option to add shift timings to manage the driver's availability. Enter the work start time and work end time using the 24-hour format. This ensures that routes are only assigned during their working hours. Start by entering work start time and then enter work end time. If the driver takes breaks during the day, you can add break timings as well. Simply enter the break start time and break end time so the system knows not to assign deliveries during this period. As soon as you save all the information, an invite will automatically be sent to the driver's email. On the driver's side, it's just as simple. They open the Zeo driver app, go to My Profile, then Connections, and they'll see your invitation waiting for them. Once they accept the invite, the connection is complete, and the driver can start receiving assigned routes right away. Method 2. Bulk upload. The second method is perfect when you need to add multiple drivers at once. Click on Upload Drivers, then Browse File and upload the drivers list. For your reference, you can download sample file and see what information Zeo expects. Click Proceed. Confirm mapping and submit to the driver's email. Within moments, all your drivers are added to the system, saving you time and effort, especially for larger fleets. And that's it. With these two simple methods, manual entry with an email invite or bulk upload, you can onboard your drivers quickly. Happy routing with Zeo Route Planner.